In this video, I show you how to fix something went wrong. Check that Google Pay is enabled on your device and that you are using an up-to-date version before opening the app. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the app problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then tap on it, then tap on see all apps. Now search for Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, enable it. Now go back. If you are Y user, then tap on three dot, then tap on reset app preference, then tap on reset apps. Now I hope that this method fix something went wrong. Check that your Google Pay is enabled on your device problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.